The Samsung Galaxy S24 series is now official, and as the rumor suggested, there are a couple of key hardware upgrades, but the novelty lies within the new AI capabilities. Following the footsteps of Google's Pixel 7 and Pixel 8 lineups, the Galaxy S24 family is now smarter than ever with Galaxy AI, which aims to improve pretty much every aspect of the handsets. So, Galaxy AI is an umbrella term for all AI related features coming with the Galaxy S24 series, and One UI 6.1 it's quite obvious that Samsung is heavily leaning on AI for 2024 in an attempt to make its smartphones even smarter. And judging by the list of features, some of which unique, the Galaxy S24 phones are the smartest Samsung phones ever. Aside from these smarts, the Galaxy S24 Ultra gets some notable upgrades such as brighter display, more powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip for all markets, and replaces the older 10MP 10x telephoto camera with a 50MP 5x zoom unit, promising lossless light magnification even at 10x, but the rest of the cameras remaining unchanged. Another noteworthy design related changes include a new titanium frame for the S24 Ultra and the departure from the curved screen. The display is now flat and has slimmer bezels. So, moving on to the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, we see rather modest changes. So, the Vanilla and the Plus now get brighter display, the same as the Galaxy S24 Ultra but smaller. The upgraded armor aluminum to frame and a new chipset. However, the Exynos 2400 will make the rounds this year in most markets, while the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 remains exclusive to the US, South Korea, and China. Some slight bumps in the display size and battery capacity are also in order, and in the case of the Galaxy S24 Plus, they are more than welcome. We feel like the Galaxy S24 Plus is now closer to the Galaxy S24 Ultra than ever, giving users a fair choice between the two. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.